Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this video inside iPhone mockup edit on CapCut PC. I'm just going to select one from the stock videos like this one, which is like in the kind of like portrait mode. If not, just go to ratio and select the 9:16 one, and then you can kind of like crop it to fit it like so. Then you are basically going to go to stickers, and then you're going to try to find the iPhone one, or you can download a PNG version of it. I'm just gonna try to find one. I think it's in like the frame one, which is here. So yeah, it is in the frame one. You're just going to add that to your clip, and I'm just going to actually make it like small like this, and I might like resize the video a little bit. I know it will show kind of like that, for instance, and I don't want that. So I am just going to basically select the mask tool here, and I'm going to select the rectangle one, and I'm going to just resize it to fit the phone, and I can even add like round corners to fit it even better. Then I'm just going to select both so I can scale it together. Right click, create compound clip, and then I can like scale it together like so, and you can add a background if you'd like to. Just go back to basic, go to canvas, go to style, make sure you put this on the main track, and just find the background that you want to choose, like this one for instance, or whichever one you want to choose. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!